Hi, I'm Owen.
Hi, I'm Aeliana.
Today we are going to show you how to solve a multiplication word problem using an array. Let's read the word problem. There are 8 groups. In each group, there are 10 students. How many students are there in all? Next, you need to code the problem. Let's code with G, E, and T. G will represent how many groups there are. E will represent how many are there in each group. T will represent the total. In this problem, there are 8 groups, so write a G over the 8. There are 10 students in each group, so we write an E over the number 10. We need to find the total number of students, so we write a T next to the question mark. Now we are ready to solve the problem using an array. An array is an arrangement of items into equal rows.
In this problem, there are 8 groups or rows with 10 in each row. We will start the array by making one row of 10 students like this. Then we will add another row of 10 students like this. We will keep adding rows of 10 students until we have made 8 rows of 10. To find the total number of students, we need to count by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80.
So we have 80 in total. Now we need to write a multiplication equation to represent the problem. 8 groups of 10 equals 80. 8 times 10 equals 80. Finally, you need to write a solution statement. There are 80 students in all. We had so much fun teaching you guys. Bye, guys.